Okay, I'm making a new video. The old one, I kept getting my fingers in front of the camera, so I'll try not to do that again. It's a 1986 Shadow 1100. I'm having a hard time with the rear cylinder. If you watch this carburetor, see it's all wet. And I don't know if you can see it. See if I can zoom in a little bit. I guess you can't really see it. This one's pretty dry. I just switched the carburetors because I thought maybe it was a carburetor issue, but since the problem still persists, I don't believe it to be carburation anymore. I'm going to fire it up and watch this cylinder. It puffs out. Watch this piece of electrical tape. That'll let you see it even better. Watch it goes flying. I believe it to be cam timing. However, I have 125 pounds of pressure in my compression test in both cylinders, the front and the rear, and they both seem to build up pressure about at the same rate. If you listen to this rear exhaust, it almost sounds like it's sucking in. Sucking in or doing something not the way it's supposed to. From what I understand, the ignition timing nor the cam timing, or the ignition timing, is non-adjustable. The plugs look pretty good. I switched them around. I cleaned them all up real nice. I'm kind of at a loss here. I'm kind of stumped. Granted, this one spark plug wire here is a little goofy, but I don't believe that to be the issue. I know I will replace it. I don't know. Let me know what you think. Thank you.